So welcome to Logical Education. Before seeing the video, please do like, share and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon for our latest updates. In this video, we are going to study about class 10 chapter 3, that is HTML Hypertext Markup Language in computers. So this chapter is really important for all of us because HTML, it deals in our higher and standard classes as well. So what is HTML? HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. In this chapter we are going to study about HTML and tags used under HTML. So the basic structure of an HTML or a web page is first the HTML tag, then after the same head tag. What is a head tag? Head tag contains the information about the document. Under head tag we use a tag that is title tag. As the name is suggesting, title, it means the title of our web page. For like my first web page. And after using any of the tag, we must close the tag. But the HTML tag is closed at last, and even the body tag. The body tag is the main tag of a basic HTML document. So after closing of the head tag, we will be starting the body tag. As I have told, the body tag is the main tag of an HTML in which other tags are included or other tags are used. As its name is suggesting, body tag means the main content is stored in this tag. For example, if I am willing to make a list or anything, for example, I have written it is my first web page. So anything written under body tag will be usually or samely it will be displayed on your screen. So the basic structure has been created and I'm going to use it on any of the browser. HTML document or HTML structure, in order to see that HTML, the program created by you, is working correctly, you must use any of the browser. It can be Chrome, it can be Google, etc., etc. Because HTML, that is Hypertext Markup Language, supports all the browsers. For this, we must save our program with extension .html. And we can run the same on our browser. This is the program that was being created, and I'm going to run the same on any of the browser, but I'll be using Chrome. So after opening the Chrome, just press Ctrl plus O and type the extensions or name of your program. So as you can see, the title given by me was my first web page, and it is displayed here. And under body section, I have written it is my first web page. So it is displayed usually as I have told in the body section. For editing the same, I can even use more tags. Like I'll be using under body tag. I can combine multiple tags like background, that is BG color, or even more tags can be used. This is just a basic HTML program. So I'll be taking a new document. So what is an HTML? We are studying about its basic structure, but what is an HTML document? HTML, that is Hypertext Markup Language. Markup language. It is the main question in this chapter can be it was discovered, or it was made by whom? It was made by Tim Berners-Lee. In the year, in 5 years mainly, it was in the year it was made. The year in which it was made is 1990 to 1995 by Tim Berners-Lee. So remember that it was created, or it was made by Tim Berners-Lee in the year, in first 5 years, that is 1990 to 1995. So in this we will be studying about main 3 things, that are what is a doc type, DOCTYPE, doc type. This doc type is closed under 2 angular brackets with an exclamation mark. This doc type is used to define the latest version of HTML we are using, or we are going to use. So the doc type declaration must be at the top of the document. We must start this doc type tag before HTML tag, and it is just an opening tag, not a closing tag. The doc type is not an HTML element, even though it looks a bit like it. The doc type tells the browser what version of HTML is being used in this program. This doc type is not a part of HTML document, but it helps us to choose the latest version of HTML. Then the next thing that comes is, what is a meta charset? Meta charset. This is its correct pronunciation will be meta charset, not meta charset. Meta tag tags charset attribute is given to specify the correct encoding used. By default, for English pages, the UTF-8 characters encoding is used, which is specified through it. This program or this element is just used to define the which encoding are we going to use or is being used in this program. So in this video we have discussed about basic structure of HTML and some points about what is an HTML, when it was created, and it was created by whom. So I hope you might have liked my video. Thank you, and please do not forget to share, like, subscribe and click the bell icon for our latest updates.